So this is your CP heater unit. I have taken off 6 screws from the outside, and now I'll just slide it apart. The back half has 2 pieces and the front is 1 piece. So it kind of slides apart from itself. Just go slowly and gently and it all fits pretty well. Here's your fuse. This is the squirrel fan. If you ever need to replace those, we have those as well. All you're gonna do to replace your fuse is just slide this out. And then I like to hold them next to each other, just so you can make sure that you line up the terminals correctly. There we go. Cool. This last one is not used. Notice it's covered in plastic. And you'll just slot that right back in. There. And put it all back together. Just making sure everything is tucked into the right spots. And if it is, it'll go together pretty easily. There you go.